Have you ever been in the middle of a project and lost your screw and now you're screwed? Well, this week's feature product is a real source of attraction, and it's going to help reduce your frustrations of dropping, losing, or misplacing small components while working in challenging situations. I'm talking about the Magnetic Wristband from Eclipse Magnetics. This lightweight wristband weighs only 0.07 kilograms and features a Velcro strap for easy and secure fitting around the wrist. Simple yet highly effective, it includes 10 strong magnets to give a secure, safe hold for a variety of tools, screws, drill bits, nuts, bolts, and other steel components. It's a unique way to keep these light tools on hand, so to speak, while keeping your hands totally free. This wristband is ideal for use in a multitude of applications, including, but not limited to, carpentry, automotive repair, electrical work, plumbing and equipment building, working in the garage, and general home improvement. It is especially convenient for working in tight, cramped spaces and makes those awkward jobs so much easier. If the wristband is cramping your style, we also carry many different options of magnetic tool trays and cups for simple storage of small nuts, bolts, and screws. So you can forget about reaching for your toolbox or fumbling through your pockets with this week's feature product, the Magnetic Wristband from Eclipse Magnetics. Let us know about a time where this tool would have really come in handy for you. Share your stories with us in the comments, and don't forget to follow so you can stay up to date with all the latest feature products. Have a great Canadian day.